Hi and welcome another week with a new podcast in this beautiful project called San Luis Media. My name, Juan Manuel Molina, and I hope that you will have a nice whole week, that you rest a lot, that you share with your families, because that is the most important thing in this kind of dates. I'm here with my usual partner, James. How are you, James? How was your holiday week?
Hello, Molina. I'm pretty fine, thank you. My Holy Week was pretty good. I shared with my family, as you said before. That's the most important thing. So yeah, it was pretty fine, thank you.
Okay, that's so nice. James, we always have nice phrases in all the podcasts that we do. So, can you tell us what is the week's phrases?
Yeah, sure. So the phrase of the week was said by the most famous pediatrician worldwide. His name was Benjamin Spock, and he said, "Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do."
What a nice sentence. I think that is really good. And we all know that the next week we have exams. And we need to be concentrated, we need to be prepared, and we need to do our best. So that's why in today's podcast, some persons of sixth grade they will talk about tips to doing exams, how to be prepared to an exam, how to take an exam. So listen to you.
Hello, everyone. In this podcast, we're going to talk about tips to become a better student and study before an exam. Thank you.
The participants of this podcast are Sebastián Escobar, Luciana Estrada, Isabela Franco, and Valentina Gomez.
Hi, I'm Luciana and I'm going to tell you a tip. Discover your learning style. How you learn more. See presentations in PowerPoint, doing mental maps, or reading, things like that.
We are going to interview teacher Sandra and Emelentale's teacher and for tips. Hello, I'm very happy to answer this question. I think it's important to ask for help. But the way you ask for help is important too. I think you need to not be shy to ask a teacher for help, but you also need to find the time. When is the right time to ask for help? Maybe after class, maybe during recess, or maybe you can just email your teacher and ask for help, but don't be shy. Thank you, teacher, so much.
Hello, I'm Sebastian, and I'm going to tell you another tip. Stay motivated. Choose goals that interest you. This can help you being a better student.
Hi, I'm Valentina, and I'm going to tell you another tip. Be organized. Be sure that you studied and don't study a day before the exam. Do it like a week before or days to be calm and plan your time to study. This time you are only going to study, not like TV or other things, and the rest because it's important to rest. You can sleep or do crafts, read, but have a study time and rest to be calm and sure that you know everything for the exam.
Now we are going to interview Alejandra Mafla Martinez from the classroom 6B for a tip.
Hi, I'm Alejandra Mafla, and I'm going to tell you a tip to be a better student and to study before an exam. Okay, so my tip is don't doubt yourself. If you already studied, trust you did your best.
Thank you very much, Aleja.
Hello, I am Isabela Franco,
And my tip is to concentrate a lot in class to get good grades, especially in that last class of the term, to get good grades in the partial or in an exam.
Wow, I think that was a pretty interesting podcast, because the next week we're going to present a test. So yeah, I hope this podcast was helpful for all our listeners.
Yeah, I agree with James. Thank you for all the information. I hope that you all students can take the important information, can take the important tips, and I just wish you good luck in all the exams, in all the test that you have, because it's really important to our notes. It's really important to our academic life. So I just hope you good luck. Thank you for listening our podcast another day, another week. Thank you and see you next week.